Nico's run. So I have had, as you've seen at the start of the stream, we've had a beta of the theme music. So here we go. So there's me dancing. I can listen to this all day, which I have. So FaZe has given us version 7, I think. It's version 7 that we're currently on, isn't it, FaZe? Yeah, version 7. And that's what's playing, yeah, version 7. But also, did you notice there's been another change to the screen? Did you notice? I'll just restart it. I'll ignore that because I went to OBS. I've just wound down so you can hear me. Can you see any differences? No? Alright then, this is where branching comes into it. So we'll go to episode 13. Right? And I'll fire episode 13. So this is what it was like when I left you. What's different? Ignore the music. Ignore the music. What's different? Alright, so we'll go back to 14. Yeah. So I've applied the colour cycling to the title screen. Also, if you notice, the difficulty is now defaulted to medium. Yeah. So we now defaulted to medium instead of pup, which we was doing before, and I've messed around and put the colour cycling on this. It's all I've done. It's all I've done. You know, it's a few, just a few things, and I mean I can show you the differences anyway. You know, it won't show me the. There we go. There we go. It shows the differences now. I've also put some comments in as well. I've also started putting comments in. You think the colour cycling needs the black to be taken out? Really? Do you think? Oh, we could certainly have a bash at it. Where's the storage? There. So you think, okay, so you think the black should be taken out. What, of all the cycles? So it never disappears. Okay. Let's try it. Right, I've got to find them all now. So I'm looking for that. Oh, let's do it on there. On there. Oh well, we'll do it here then. So we've knocked it down by 2. In fact, let's do that. Now there's some other places where that is. There's one there. There's one there. And there's one there. Right then. Oh, double ash. Ta very much. Right, so here we go. So it's got no black in it. I can listen to this all day. I think it's brilliant. I'm trying to see if it... Yeah, there is. It looks better without the black. Yeah, I think it looks better as well. And it looks better on there as well. Oh! Jumped too early. Right. So, we need to, I think it's utils, isn't it? We need to put the spaceship comes back on the hundreds rather than the tens. Don't kill Vice until you're ready to run again. Keep the music going. Okay. Okay. Right. So. I'll get it started again. I'll get it started. Don't worry. So I found another bug. The bonus doesn't reset when we collide. When Nico collides with something, yeah, it doesn't reset. It still has the bonus value. So that's something that we've got to sort out. And also we've got the problem that when the health runs out, it doesn't reduce a life. Yeah. So what we're going to do is we're going to do that. Now you guys want to listen to the music. So what I'm going to do. I'll fire it up. I'll keep it in the background. But is it Is it too loud? Because I still want you to hear me. There you go. Right. So we're gonna do this one first. When his health runs out, we're going to lose a life. Yeah. So we need to find where we test his health. So let's. Where we Oh, did it? Oh, is that what it's doing? Let's try it. Let's try it. Let's put the lives back to 1, and we will turn collisions back on. Right, we'll get rid of that, and we'll try. So we're going to try and run his health out, yeah? Oh, that didn't help. And that didn't help. we haven't done the game over thing, have we? No, we haven't done the game over. So I've got to make sure I don't die or I don't get dazed. Right, here we go. Oh yeah, we don't need collisions on, do we? Right. Just need to avoid the cookies. Right. Oh, I hit a cookie. Get the practice in. Oh no! I'm not doing a very good job of this. Oh, just wait for the cookies. There we go. No, we don't want you. Here we go. Come on. Right then. Oh! Yeah, it didn't do that before, did it? We'll have to keep an eye on that. I'm not bothered about that it's still showing 5 lives down here, mate, because when we go to 5 it'll work anyway, because it goes down 1 at a time, doesn't it? Okay, so let's do can't recreate. I never thought I would be using this excuse in these streams. That is an excuse I use professionally. Can't recreate it. Can't recreate. Right, let's do the health running out. That's fine. Let's oh no, it's not that one, is it? It's that one. Can't recreate. Right, bonus. We need to reset the bonus. Need to reset the bonus. So when we're dazed, we need to set the bonus to be 0, because we want to lose the fact that we've got those there. That's it there. put that back to 5. No, GaryMeg, no! If we can't recreate it, how can we fix something we can't recreate? Come on. It's simple physics. Talking with his fingers crossed behind his back. Right, dazed. Where's dazed? Dazed. Yeah, I mean, don't get me wrong. We do feed back to them. It's just that, you know, can't reproduce it. That's my thing. Right, so we're setting naught for bones. It shows that you are a developer. And never heard anything more. Dude, so it's not just our company. Because it's strange how when you can't reproduce it, you get that tumbleweed going across. Never hear anything after that. Right, let's see if the bonus resets when we're dazed. Bam. Let's get another bonus. So we get 2. Here we go. 2 bones. 3. Right, we're going to hit something. Here we go. I haven't got collisions on, have I? I thought it was going too good to be true. I was thinking to myself, I'm getting good at this game. It's self-delusional. Oh, here we go. Try again, John. This time we got collisions on. Oh, come on. Oh, I told you. I thought I was doing good. Go on, give us a bone. There we go. 1 bone. Oh, here we go. Didn't reset it, did it? Okay. What am I missing? Here we go. Oh, there. That's what we're missing. Need to reset the lives. No. Back. It's not reset lives, is it? It's reset bonus. There we go. Let's try that. Oh. Really? Is that tipped it over the edge? Right, let's do some optimization here. What am I doing? Pressing keys all over the place. So we can get rid of that. Well, that saved 2 bytes. Let's see if it'll do it. Oh, look at that. Mid-roll ads. Very tacky. Oh, right. I'll tell it not to do it. Right, there's what. Oh, we got 2 there. That's something that we've got to sort out. And it's still not reset. It's still not reset. Oh, hang on. Duplicating code. Right. Let's see now. And we also need to check why we're getting 2 bones. Need to understand why we're getting 2 bones. Oh. Not paying attention, John. Come on. Cool, that was close, wasn't it? Oh! Pants. Oh dear. Oh, John, come on. Get a grip. There we go. We got 1. Hey, reset. Right. So why? After first life, power up timer runs down from 50% twice. Did it? Did it? So there's the first life, yeah? It's the bone, isn't it? It's the bone. Yeah, it's the bone that's doing it. Well, at least the bonuses are going. So it's the bone that's it's reading as 2. Add bonus. Here we go. So that's what we're looking for. Right, rotating bone. The power-up shouldn't go down while running on the floor. Yes, it should, because he was in invincible mode. So it will run down when he's in invincible mode, yeah? Oh, let me turn sound effects off then, mate. Hang on. So when we run it next time. There we go. Right, let's go back. Right, so jump to add bonus. So that's doing the add bonus. And then that's doing it on invincibility. So why would it be? Is it because it's still active? I mean, we turn the power off up there. So we turn the sprite off. Power up detected. Do we go to... Yeah, we go to turn power off. Okay. Maybe I need to... Maybe I need to read the collision register just to be on the safe side. There, maybe I need to read that again. You alright? Hello? You alright? Hello? What? Come here. That's not platinum, is it? Is that a platinum?
I don't have platinum, I have ash.
Is that ash?
Yeah. What?
Is it been that long since you've had your hair done then?
No, it's just took really well this time.
Yeah, it has, hasn't it? Very nice.
Thank you.
There is blonde underneath though, isn't there?
What?
There is blonde underneath.
Yeah, I've had the underneath done this time. Let's get rid of the dark.
Yeah, so it's blonde underneath because as you walked out there, it parted and got a bit of blonde peeping through.
Yeah.
Show everyone. Yeah, when you part it like that at the back, you can see the blonde underneath it. Yeah?
Yeah, because... Well, that's what I have done. Every other time. She does underneath. So it's the same colour all the way through, which took really well.
They want to look.
In this light, you
No.
look awful.
That, it's alright. I'll tell
You
him.
look awful in all this light.
I look awful in this light. Okay.
Yeah.
Alright. Are you happy with it?
Hmm?
Good.
Very?
Good. Are you firing Thor up?
No.
No.
Too late.
Is it? Oh.
Yeah, I didn't get back till 8:20.
Alright. Right. John gaining brownie points for realising Mrs. OSK had her hair done. Oh. Right. What? You haven't got your what? Weren't it there?
Went round to the chemist.
Yeah.
No record. So I had to go back into the doctor's surgery, and she went, "Oh yeah, the doctors won't sign off the prescriptions. They won't do it till later. They're too busy."
So you got to pick it up tomorrow.
Phone and find out.
Right. Okay. All right, stat bats. We'll see you later. Yeah. Right. Let's see if the bones has stopped. Double hitting. Oh, straight away. Well, the bone didn't double strike this time. We'll see if it does it again. Oh, I'm not going to survive long enough, am I? Go on, give us another bone. Oh no! Oh, rubbish, John, rubbish. Now, can I raise the volume? Yeah, sure. Here we go. There you go. I won't play it. I'll let you listen. it was doing it on the title screen where there was no sound effects. It was like one or two notes. I mean, it was only one or two notes that didn't sound the same as the notes that were playing. Let me start it from the beginning just in case, yeah? But there was no sound effects because it was on the front screen, yeah? It was on here. Yeah, that's the emulator. Maybe you fixed it. Maybe you fixed it because it was definitely on the sixth. Put my teeth back in. The sixth iteration. So if I go to that one. Yeah, I noticed the 7th version was quicker. I'll have to try and find it and then time it to give you a rough idea where it is. I mean, as you hit, but it wasn't the effect. It wasn't the effects because I was just playing it off the front screen. You know, when you sent it me, bopping away. So we'll put the sound effects on. Right, what was we doing? Bonus doesn't reset when it... Right, that is done. Oh, we was doing the double hit, weren't it? We was doing the double hit. There we go. That's only doing one hit. Ooh, that's only doing one hit now. Yep, it's only done one hit there. Did the power-up run out then? Oh, I was waiting for the power-up. Keep coming. Say again. Collecting bones when you have Collecting bone when you have invincible turns it off. Did he? Did he lost his invincibility when he picked up the bone? Okay. Let's try that. Right, invincibility's on. Oh, we didn't get a bone. Well, I mean, to be honest, that would be right, wouldn't it? Because we're overriding invincibility with the bone. So yeah, that would be right. Why does the power-up always finish just when you need it to make a jump? Yeah, I did. So if you've got invincibility and you pick up a bone, you're shutting off the invincibility, and then you're in flight mode. Because we don't. It's either or. It can't be both. Yeah, we're aborting it early. Yeah. Right. Okay. So. You're surprised how smooth the effects are playing with the 3-channel music. Yeah, I am. I think it's brilliant. Right. So let's do the game over. So we need to have a reset. I think that's what we're missing, is the reset. So game paused. Game over. Here we go. So we are checking. We're definitely checking for the key because it moved on. Here we go. Right, so it's going into game flow run play, and that's not the right state. We need to tell it to go back to that. No, we need to tell it to go back to choosing difficulty. That's what we need to do. Tell it to go back to choosing difficulty. Chocolate bad for doggies. Yeah. Right. Okay, so let's put ourselves back to 1 life. In fact, Hey SP. Right, so 1 life. Right, so we are checking the game over. Here we go. Right, so P. Right, okay. Need to do some resetting, I think. Need to do some resetting. What was it? X. It's got to be X. Expand. There we go. Right. Let's see if that solves it. Right. Here we go. Now, what key should we use to continue? Yeah? Because at the moment it's P. So what key should we use? Does it keep the high score? Well, we'll find out. Let's have a look. Oh, it's not continuing. Right, it's not continuing. It's not changing the difficulty either. So what are we missing? Choose difficulty. Initialize gameplay. We don't need to initialize the gameplay. It's this. Oh, I know. I know. I know. It's because we disable the interrupt, don't we? Right, let's see if we can get a high score. Let's do this again. Right, get a score that we can be proud of. Right, 41. There we go. So we've got a high score 42. So if I press go and restart. Oh, the score's been reset. Not been reset. Okay. So we need to reset the score. Here. Right, so we'll take that out of that. We'll take that out of that and we'll put it into the initialized game and we'll put it there because that's 0. Let's catch up. Let's catch up. Let's see. Turn off the sprites and double sides. Yes, I've done that. Nice to see the music continues. Yeah, I was surprised at that as well, FaZe. Does it keep the high score? Well, we've just found out it does, but it also keeps the score. I am amazed it's only took the equivalent of 1 week's work to write a complete game. Is that true? That it's taken just... It's taken, what, 40 hours to write this? Wow. Nuxgo99, hello. Needs to reset and loop back to the start of the game. That's what we're trying to do. Yes. It's HAP. Yes, we are writing an assembly. 6502. This is 14 times 3 hour stream. So yeah, a week. Wow. Wow. Right. Let's see if we've nailed it now. So high score, here we come. Oh, we managed to get a high score, 22. Right, here we go. So, loop back round. Go. Yep, 22. Let's beat 22. Let's do a bit of flying. Right, 49. 49, here we go. Back to the beginning. 49, and it's reset. Get in there. Nice. What else we got? I used to take 3 months or more to do a game conversion, but had to do graphic sounds also. May I ask, why assembly and not something like C? Because we are writing for the Commodore 64, and you know, talking, programming and telling the CPU what to do is far more challenging and interesting than just writing high level coding and then getting the compiler to do it. There we go, as SP said, it's more fun. Did you see my comment about random numbers while waiting for the start? Let me have a look, mate. No, I didn't. But yes, we are seeding the random number. We are seeding the random number on the level, yeah. So if we go to the choice, so this is the choice, yeah. We are seeding Where is it? There we go. We are seeding the random number. Hello D-Type, welcome. Davros, yes, it's for the at the moment it's the C64 we're coding for. It's the C64, and welcome by the way. So right, so let's go back to the top. So that's another thing off the list, isn't it? It's another thing. So we've done the 2 bugs. We have now done that. So let's put that up there. So the game over screen is doing. I've decided not to do OSK chasing. I think we should have Aston chasing Nico, because at the moment Aston's being an absolute pain to Nico at the moment. So I think we need to tweak the Nico sprite, make a copy of it, and make it an Aston sprite. This new tune will be an earworm to me. I love it. I've been playing it all day. I've been playing. FaZe has done a brilliant job catching the mood of the game. It's brilliant. Yes, we have a new tune, a dedicated Nico run tune, version 7. Had a BBC Micro, and I still to this day. Well, I've got BBCs. I've got plenty of them. And we do some 6502 coding on the BBC Micro, because before we got distracted with this, we was converting Myriad to the BBC Micro, but we got distracted with this. It's FaZe's fault. There's also there's on 51 different commands to remember. Yeah, I mean the C64, yeah. I mean it's the most recognised 8-bit. But we do code for the VIC-20. We reverse engineered Myriad, and then we recoded it for the PET, the VIC-20, the C64, the 128. The +4 and the C16, and now we're trying to do it on the BBC. So we don't just code for the C64, we do all the Commodore machines. So yes, we've done games for the Commodore PET, and the Myriad one turned out pretty well. And we got sound effects on it. Right, so this one. He's also going to do for Amiga. No, I'm not going to do it for Amiga. Someone else is just going to do it for the Amigas. Who suggested it? That's what you told me. Anyway, so here, I think me chasing Nico. I don't think, because it's Aston is giving Nico grief. So I reckon we should create. Looking at FaZe. No, you should. You said you would do a version for all Commodores. What? You mean Nico's run? I would do a version on all Commodores. Hey, Davros has followed. Thank you for following, mate. It's nice of you to follow. Oh, Myriad. You would do, I would do. You mean I've got to do Myriad for the Amiga? Oh.
Thank you for following. Hope you enjoy the stream.
It's Hap. Welcome. Thank you for following. Oh, we're getting some followers today. Oh, I have too many distractions as it is, so... I mean, I code professionally. I code professionally in C#, JavaScript.
Ladies and gentlemen, 6502 Kebab has entered the chat.
Well, not quite. He's not been around for a while, he hasn't. That was made specially for him. But he's not been around for a while, he hasn't. John, that would be fun. Do Myriad for the Amiga. Ooh, I've not coded for the Amiga and I haven't got a dev box set up. Well, it's not only C# and JavaScript, it's C#, JavaScript, Node.js, ABAP, VB, I suppose, VB, Apex, yeah. FaZe has a tutorial for the Amiga setup. Okay, I'll have to have a look at that. See if I can get one set up. Make a VM or something for it. I mean, I can read other languages. Oh, Python. God, I forgot Python as well. Look at that. C# is like Java, yes. It's very similar. It's very similar. Right. I know. How can I forget Python Myriad? I know. Even the developer loved that now. Even the developer loved it. Right. So we've got, let's see, it's 10 o'clock. So we've got me chasing, but I think we should change that to Aston chasing Nico. Yeah? I think we should have that because that's what's currently happening at the moment. Aston will not leave Nico alone. Right, so what we need to do is we need to take the Nico sprite and see if we can modify it to make it an Aston sprite. So let me just fire up sprite pad. And let's load the sprites in. So we should be able to copy this, shouldn't we? So let's copy, and does it go after? No. Rats. Right, let's add one. Oh, will you stop doing that? What? Ugh. Why are you doing that? I want 86. Gonna about to swear then. Paste. Oh, undo, not there. We are there. Paste. Right. We will make a game jam Myriad. I'll be back soon. Mrs. 101 needs a compliment too. I I see what you mean by Game Jam Myriad. If you can get the Amiga developers to do it. Yeah, okay. I want to see if it's possible to adapt one of these diffusion generators that's all the rage today to make tile sets. Oh, okay. Okay, FaiRLane, I've got your email, mate. I got your email, by the way. And yes, I do believe we need some instructions. Yeah? I do believe we need some instructions. So we might need to make an instruction screen in between the game start and the difficulty thing. So yeah, if you, it's up to you, mate. If you want to have a crack at it, let me know. Yeah. If you do it in Charpad, then we'll apply it. Yeah. We'll apply what you do. If you want to do a set of instructions. Yeah. But I did get your email. Sorry, mate. I forgot about it. Well, that's what I was thinking of. That's what I was thinking of. That's what I was thinking of. But we've only got the characters to work with, haven't we? So we have to be a little bit cheeky. Right. Let's see if we can modify this to make it become an Aston. So right, I'm going to take a picture of this because I want to keep that for reference. Right. So Aston's black with a white front. All right. So let's flood fill with black. Will it flood everything? Yes, it does. Okay. Right, so there's so we need now oh, that's the sprite colour. So white and grey are the multicolours. So Aston's got a white beard. He's got a white beard. And we'll give him white eyes, yeah? We'll give him white eyes. Where's the eyes? The eyes would be there. And he's going a little bit grey, so we'll add some more grey to his we'll make that black as well. Make that black. Right, now we need his ears. So let's copy that and paste it there. Right. Ooh, no. Let's do all of them. Copy, paste. Let's see if we can get this to be right. So let's flood fill them all. Hey Mikroman, welcome. I just did that by accident. Nah. Oops, undo. Flood fill, turn flood fill off. Right, so we need to, let's see, let's blow these up so we can see. Oh, they're all the, okay. let's have a look at that one. Let's turn off the overlay. Right, so the eyes at the top. There. Right, so we need to put his beard on. There we go, and put a couple of grey spots on his back, like that. Next one, where's the... Right, let's put that one back as overlay. Turn the overlay off that one. The eyes at the top. Right, let's do that. Eyes at the top, up there. So we've got his beard again. Put that back on, and then we'll turn that off. Go to white. So there. Now let's put his beard on. Give him some grey spots because he's going a bit grey. Right, let's grab that lot, paste that there. Right, can we add another one in here? So that's what, 85 to 89, I bet, isn't it? 85 to 89, 88. 88. Oh, it's stopped. What is going on? 85. There we go. What do you think? I'm not sure. I'm not sure. Yeah, the eyes are a bit funny. I think if we let's get rid of those. Right, let's put the overlays back on. I think there's too much. I think there's too much going on here. Let's get rid of them. The tail needs some work, doesn't it? The tail needs some work. Let's because he has got some white in his tail. So let's do that, and then we'll switch the overlay back on and see what it looks like. Oh, I think we can get away with white there as well. Right, let's do that for the tail. Right, so we'll put white there, white there. Oh, there's nothing on that. Oh, I see. There's the overlay. Let's put the overlay on that. Let's put white there as well. Yeah, there's too many grey points. Yeah, I'm trying to knock them off. So, that's his ear. This could be his collar. Not there. There. But he's got... Right, let's just knock these on the head. Let's see what it looks like. Right. Knock that down. This is for his legs. So how are we doing? Right, let's take some of the body spots off. Oh, no. Let's take the spots off his body. Let's make it all black. Right, let's make that white. Let's have a look. What's it look like now? Right, so he's got too many spots, so let's reduce some of these spots. He also needs... Yeah. Do that. Can't what? Oh. Okay. Don't have a fit. There, get rid of that. Right. That's... Let's do that. Right. Let's do that one. Right, hang on. Let's catch up with this. The eyes look a bit funny. The rest is fine. Just one dot for the eye, maybe. Yeah. No offense, but it looks like a gremlin. I'm not sure if it's going to be confusing in game since you have two on the screen that look alike. Aston could run past the trees but eat the missed cookies and slow down a bit. Well, what I was thinking was Aston was going to be at the... Right. This is what I was thinking, yeah? This is what I was thinking. I was thinking Aston would be here, chasing Nico. Yeah. That's what I was thinking, was having Aston here. You know, just like 2/3 of his body stationary on the edge. Yes. So he would be there, chasing Nico, and Nico would be getting tired, getting closer and closer to him. Yeah. But he would be just here. Yeah. That's what I was thinking of. Yeah. So let's see. We need to get rid of some of these dots. So we got the dots away from his face. We got let's make everything match. So get the black. And then put the overlay back on. There we go. We don't need those that grey there. We don't need the grey on the top. Oh, that looks... Oh, and the grey there. Don't need that. Here we go. One thing we need to do... Am I on white? No. Is we need to put white there. There we go. Right. Let's do this one. He needs the cone then. Will he hit the trees? Yes, he will, but we're not when we test, we filter out all the other sprites. Yeah? Do we need to put a cone on him? Well, let's just see. Let's just see. Right, let's sort the colours out on this. Let's get the black there. Get rid of all that gubbins. Let's make his beard go up there. Right, let's put the overlay on. Let's see how we're doing. Right. So let's get rid of that. I'm thinking we should keep that. Yeah. Right, let's get rid of the dots on here. There. Underneath is... Because I don't think we got them underneath. Oh, we got them underneath the first one. Okay, we'll leave it there then. We'll leave them there. We'll get rid of that one and that one. Right, let's try that one. Let's do the white. Goes up there. Get rid of all the black. Right, let's see what damage we've got. So, get rid of that. Get rid of these. Didn't have anything on the back. Get rid of that. How about that? What do you think? What do you think? That looks almost like Aston. Right, let's get him on screen. Right, save that. So we're looking at two sprites. So the multicolour sprites are 85 and the high res is 89. Right, let's get this exported. Right, we'll leave that there just in case we need to do any changes. Game controls, no, game constants, here we go, sprites. So we will have, there we go, we'll call that, grab that, so normal, Aston, running, Aston, HR, so this is now 85 and 89. So let's get him on the screen. Game logic, we're going to need to activate them. So I'm just thinking what sprites we're using. Oh, that's the startup. That's the choose difficulty. Right. Set up sprites. Here we go. There we go. Set up sprites. So let's see. They're the three. I think that's the power up. So we'll use those two there. Yeah. And the multicolour one is going to be that one. Oh no. No. It's that one. Multicolour goes underneath. Right? So we need him on the floor. So we're using, what are we using? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4 and 5. So that's gonna be 2, 4, 8. 2, 4, 8, 16 and 32, isn't it? No, that's not. 2, 4, no. 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. So that's set the Y. And the X, well, we'll hard do that. So it's 21. We'll put it at 21. And we'll see where he turns up. Yeah. We'll see where he turns up. Let's have a look. Oh no. No, 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 no. Rats. We've run out of sprites. We've run out of sprite. What's at 4,000? Oh. I suppose we could stick them there, couldn't we? I suppose we could stick them there. Hang on. Let's load another sprite pad up. I suppose we could stick them here. Stick them on the end of that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we should be able to copy and paste, shouldn't we? Well, let's move that over there. Let's see if this works. Oh, nice. Oh, nice. Oh, nice. Right. 12. Let's change the background color to be something that we can see. There we go. Right, let's save that. Let's cut them out of... Cut them out of there. Save that, re-export it. And we'll export this. Right, so... Oh, forgot to take the numbers. So we're looking at 4 and 8. Right. Four and 8. What about the game over background? It won't affect the game over background. It won't affect it because we just set the background for so we could see the sprite. It shouldn't affect it. Right. Let's see if we can get Aston on the screen. And of course we won't get Aston on the screen because one thing we forgot is to set the sprite pointers. So 3, 4 and 5. Right, here we go. Well, he's there. He needs to be on the screen a little bit more, I think. So we'll say 31. He's there. And also we need to set his colour. Where am I setting the colours? Here. So he's black, isn't he? He's black. For 4 and 5 was dark grey, wasn't it? 5 was dark grey. Right, let's have a look. There he is. Right, let's turn collisions off. And we'll run Nico out of health and see how far back he goes. The colour's wrong. I've just realised the colours are wrong. Let's sort that out. Hey Acmefin, welcome. That's better. Oh, his ears. His ears. His ears would be black. His ears would be black. Right, let's sort his ears out. So his ears would be black. He's not running. No, we haven't put the animation in yet, Gary. We haven't put the animation in. We've just put him on the screen. But his ears are not grey; they're black. So we need to give him some black ears. So black was his colour, wasn't it? So let's give him some. Black ears. There. Right, let's tackle the ears now. Oop, changed the wrong one. Oh, that's in the wrong place. Isn't it easier to load black than yeah, don't yeah, SP, we've been doing some of that already. We've been doing some of that. I need right, let's do the obvious. Let's get rid of the center bit. Like so. Right, so we need something there. So it shows that it's his ear, but it doesn't look like an ear, does it? I don't know whether to leave it. I don't know whether to leave it. I think that should be black as well. Should be black there. That's probably what's making it look funny. Right, let's get rid of this. Let's get rid of this center bit. And that. Let's have a look now. Does that show the ear? Yeah. Right, so what I need to do is we need to put something there. Get rid of this. Right, let's make that black. Does that make it look like he's got an ear? Oh, how do I do the animation? Aha! Here we go. So 4 to 8. Oh, Docster, see you later. Thank you for joining us. Could leave them with grey and black. Yeah, I'm thinking that. I'm thinking it's just too much. Too much messing, to be honest. So we'll leave it at that. We'll leave it at that. He's going to have grey ears. Well, he's an old man. He's an old man. Right. Let's get the animation in. Let's get the animation in. So we're going to use Nico's animation. Because we're going to make Nico and Aston use the same timer. Yeah. So this animate Nico is going to be the same for animate Aston. So this is where we do the animation for Nico. So let's copy this. And it's going to be very simple. And we'll put it at the end. So it's out of the way. Animate Aston. So there's no jumping. Let's just make sure. Right. Loading, jumping, bypass, jump. So that's the jumping mechanism. So there's no jumping. Load, keep the frame within range. Yes, we can do that. Branch to exit. Yeah. Perform the animation. Well, we don't need to do that. All we need to do is that. Load the frame counter. Transfer it to X. We don't need that because we're not going to do anything about that. In fact, we don't need that, so we can just do that. Clear the carry. In fact, we don't need to add that either. Whoops. We just need to add Nico frame counter. Add the animation base. No, we just need to. No, we don't need to add the animation base. We just need to add. Where is he? That one. Store it in 4, add 4, store it in 5. We're not doing any health. Not doing that. Not doing jump. Not doing flying. That's it. Right. Animate Aston. So let's go into the game. So where we animate Nico, we can do animate Aston as well. So let's search for animate Nico. And we'll do exactly the same. Right. Right. We should Where's the other one gone? Am I populating the wrong one? Oh, no. No, 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 no. That's why. There we go. Where did he go? Where did he go? Oops, wrong one. He vanished when the flying ended. Right. That's why. Yeah. Right, Aston's eating the cookies, and Nico gets the health. Right, Nico, detect power up. Detect power up. We need to filter off. We need to filter off. Here we go. Right, here we go. So it's right, okay, so it's saying that we filter that off. Maybe I should need to do that. Let's see. Let's see if that eliminates that. No. Night, Gary. How are we going to do this? How are we going to do this? Because it's saying it's detecting a sprite. Oh, I know. We know the X value, it's the sprite 6, isn't it? Compare with right, let's see if that does it. There we go, nailed it. Nailed it. How close is he going to get? Oh, I caught it. Right, so we need to move Nico back a bit. Aston back a bit. You off to bed? We got Aston in the game now. Yeah. Hang on, I'm just I need to move him back a bit. Here we go. Here we go. It's here somewhere. There. Right, let's move him back a bit. Here we go. Watch. Oh, and by the way, the music's his official theme tune. Look. Got Aston in. So instead of me chasing Nico, it's Aston chasing Nico. Because of what's happening just recently. And so Nico's trying to run away from him.
Why aren't you jumping over the trees?
I've turned the collisions off.
Oh.
We're testing how far back he's gone. So that's why I'm trying to avoid the cookies.
So what's the point of Aston chasing him?
Because Aston's giving him grief, isn't he, at the moment?
But I thought it was the whole point of the syringes and the bones and everything.
Yeah, but
Aston's caught him.
well, this is why we probably need to change the mechanics of a little bit. We might have to move him up a bit. But yeah, because of what's going on with him giving Nico grief, we decided to put Aston in. Right, we need to move Nico up because he's coming into Aston's arena. Have I got a constant that says where he starts? No. Let's make that 42. Right. Oh yeah, there was something I noticed on Aston's sprites. Yeah, we need to give him a nose. He needs a nose. Oops. He needs a nose. That might be better. No, that looks strange doing that. Right, that'll do. That'll do. I'm sure our graphic designer may come up with something a bit better. But for me, that'll do. Right, let's see how the mechanics work. Yeah. Oh no, he's moved back, didn't he? Must be in Animate Nico. Store it in Nico Health. That's what we're looking for, isn't it? There we go. There we go. 42. In fact, hey Proton, how you doing? Let's see if there's any more. Right. Right, I think I've found them all. Can't sit or sleep. I wasn't paying any attention then. You coming to see what's going on, mate? Hey? What's the matter? What's the matter? Yeah, that's new. You want to go out? Okay, mate. Okay, just give me a second. Hang on, mate. Give me a second. Give me a second. It's that one there. Hang on, mate. Okay. Okay, hang on. Right, I won't be a second, all right? I'll be back in a minute. Hello, we're back. While we wait, what's the best C64 machine to get? I have them all. I've got them all. Oh, I'm avoiding the cookies, aren't I? There we go, that's better. That's better. Right. So we have done this one. So, let's see, it's 11 o'clock, right. So, on the next stream, if you want real hardware, it isn't a problem. If you get a bread bin or C64C shortboard, the main difference is the SID chip. Yes, it is, it's just the SID chip. But I think weren't the Ultimate 64 Elites hard to get by now? Hard to get now. I haven't got one of them. No, I had to let Nico out. They're back in stock at the moment. Right, okay. Let's get on that website. Oh, it says out of stock. It says out of stock. Alright, right. So, we've added Aston in. Night, Mikroman. Yeah. So, we've added Aston in. We've done the game over. FaiRLane's going to try and do some instructions for us, which I thought of having a scroll on the front screen where we choose. So move the title up and everything up, and then have a scroll with all the instructions on. And then we'll do this on the next stream. So parallaxing some clouds. We've got the clouds already done. And stabilize the rasters, and then that except for polishing up, that would be it. I have been adding comments into the code, so when we do release the code, it's in there. I've been adding comments. Unlike me to add comments, but I have been adding comments. Let's see. Right. So, next stream. If we've got the instructions, we'll put them in. Parallax in the clouds, and we're going to stabilize the rasters, because if you notice there's some glitchiness on the rasters. So we'll get to stabilize the rasters, because then we'll know that the game loop is fixed and sorted. Yeah. So thank you very much for joining me. Oh, and more music. Yeah, because yeah, you'll find out on the next stream. We won't spoil it. We'll find out on the next stream, yeah? So I will just put more music in there. Alright. Well, thank you very much for joining me. Everybody's closing. Take care, and I will see you on... It's Wednesday now, isn't it? I'll see you on Monday. Alright? Thank you very much, everybody. Take care. Have a good weekend. Bye! I'd like to thank all the patrons that are contributing to my channel. Without you guys, I wouldn't be able to do what I'm doing right now. Thank you very much.